Kia ora, once again, this is Paul Tupou doing part 4 of the Cook Islands guitar strumming style tutorial. This tutorial is all about putting all the strums together from part 1, the single strum, part 2, the double strum, and part 3, the triple strum. Now, we'll quickly go through it just for you to remember. So part 1 was the single strum. Don't forget your thumb bass, single strum, double strum on part 2, and then triple strum on part 3. We'll do it again. Part 1, single strum, part 2, double strum, part 3, triple strum. Alright, now you have got those basics from single strum to more advanced, the triple strum. Now we usually don't play in that sequence, single, double and triple. We usually play within the Cook Islands song anywhere where it can fill the gaps or make the song sound good. But just for this tutorial, I'll be just showing you so you can see how I play it, learn it, practice it. I'll start off slow and then we'll pick up the pace. Once again, I'll show you in sequence, single strum, double strum, and then triple strum. Let's get into it. Single strum, double strum, triple strum, single strum, double strum, triple strum. This is what it sounds like slow. Now let's play it continuously. Now we're going to pick up the pace a little bit. Now I'm going to show you where it's mixed anywhere. Okay, this concludes my tutorial for part 4. If you like this one or not, please leave a comment. It helps me to improve in my music or in my videos. Now that you know the strumming from part 1, 2, 3, and now 4, I'll be doing one last video, which is my final video, part 5, and this one is very special, so please stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Ka kite.